Hi everyone, this is my favorite, your favorite, and apparently everyone's favorite Huda Beauty Blush Filter Liquid Blush in the shade Strawberry Cream Dusty Rose. Suitable for all skin types, it's cruelty free. Huda Beauty is a Dubai based cosmetic brand. I ordered this from Tira at 1913 rupees, and along with this blush, I got a couple of freebies as well. This is a sample of color correctors and concealers for a range of skin tones. The packaging says the blush melts on your skin, is lightweight, and has a soft focused finish. Apart from this, I also received a box of pencils, which did not really excite me that much. And this is how the actual product looks like. It comes in 11 irresistible shades, and here is everything that you need to know about. So let's quickly apply this together. This brand claims the product to be non-drying, easy to apply, glowy, blendable, and buildable with a blurring effect. I personally prefer to blend any cream or liquid product on my face with my fingers. Time for my honest reviews. Well, I completely bow down to this product. This baby is irreplaceable in my vanity. No matter whichever blushes I try or whatever discoveries or Korean beauty or falana I do, I am not budging from this blush. I think this particular shade, Strawberry Cream, is exclusively made for me, for my skin, because whenever I've applied it, I've got so many compliments. Which blush is this? Where have you got this from? Which shade and all? So I previously ordered this same shade, and that time I thought that the next bottle which I'll order, I will order it in a different shade. But I liked it so much that even this time I ended up ordering the same shade. So I do feel this is worth every penny, considering it's a bit high-end product. So कोई भी blush हो या ना हो, Huda Beauty का blush ज़रूर होना चाहिए. This is what I feel. Again, it's my experience. There's just one thing that I'm really disappointed with Huda Beauty. If Huda Beauty you all are listening to me, please fix this. Okay, now I'll show you what. So this is how you open it. It has a click sound. Now the applicator is also very nice, but you see how difficult it is for me to take this applicator or to take this dhakkan out, because the mouth of the bottle is very small and the applicator is a bit wide in shape or size. So when it goes in, it's a bit difficult for me to, I have to push it, and again to, pull it out, I have to put some force and then pull the applicator out. So please fix this, make this mouth a little wider so that it's easy to go in and easy to get it out. Because iska applicator agar mujhse galti se toot gaya, to main to ro dungi. So please go and fix this ASAP, and do not touch any other thing about the product, because the product is just perfect.